All right, so today we are getting the Lanai painted black and all new screens. When we first moved in, all the screens, and they still are, all the screens are sagging, and we just had a storm and a lot of screens just came off. So gotta get this replaced, but it's gonna look sharp after. All right, so first they're power washing, get it nice and clean for when they paint. Indy's just chilling, watching them, scoping it out. All right, it looks like the power washing is done. They took all the screens off as well, so I guess they're gonna start painting pretty soon. Indy in his place, just watching them. Doing really good. What you got there? You got a bully stick? All right, we are at Home Depot. We're bringing Indy in. This is his first trip to Home Depot. All right, Indy is in Home Depot. He's loving it. All right, so just got back from Home Depot and Indy did a great job. Everyone was like asking to pet him, but he's in training, so I can't really let people do that. But everyone was going around, beautiful dog, like, love your rut. So that was nice to see, and Indy did a great job. All right, so they got everything lined and covered for the paint job. Already starting to work on it, looks good. And it looks like they just finished painting it, but damn, it looks good. New black, baby. I love it. All right, so right now they're starting to screen it. This guy's up on this little thing right here, and he's putting it on top. Indy loves it. Bro. All right, the Lanai is completely screened and looks amazing. The black is just a whole new vibe, and I love it. And Indy is loving it as well. All right, so tonight we are going to our first Lightning game. Real monumental event for us. They're playing the Florida Panthers, so a little in-state rivalry. Got my Steven Stamkos shirt on. Here we go, Amalie Arena, baby. The funny part about this arena is the first time I was in it was for a Raptors preseason game. It's not even a hockey game, which... This is not my first time playing. Okay. This is the best hockey game.
Rookie Ross Bolton, he scored 2 more goals on the road trip.
Oh, the electricity! Whoa, what is going on? Oh my God. Here comes the Panthers! Boo! Here they come!
Stanley Cup
All right, we're underway, baby. You got the finger?
Come on.
All right, we got bad news. The Panthers scored. It is 1-0 now. Panthers are on the board, but it's still not on the board. The first period is over. We got the Zambonis out. All right, so Landon is now free of wearing his mask since he's got food.
Yes, sir.
So
It's my get out of mask free card.
Yeah. So basically, if you don't want to wear your mask, just eat the whole game. It's so fucking stupid. Like, they literally are, like, rather people be obese and die of that than COVID.
Come on, Lightning.
Power play, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's get it.
Bang, shoot it.
Boom. the hell is this guy doing?
World Star!
Damn it, Panthers just scored.
Yo, what? Dogecoin at 26 cents?
That's insane. All right, so we're on the verge of getting kicked out because I literally had my mask, I had my hood over my face like this, and the usher like threatened to kick me out because of that. So what do they want us to do? And now we got a girl behind us. She's fucking stalking us now. Let's see. All right, we are now in overtime, and it's 3-on-3, 5 minutes. Oh! Ah! Our first Lightning game was a success. OT winner, 3-2 Lightning. How'd you like it?
It was great. We got that dumb.
Let's go.